Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Motor Mike YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be doing some more point of view driving, but this time with Priscilla, the blue Mustang. And I'm going to be talking to you guys about some tragic news I found out about this car with some research and development I have done. It's very, very humbling and tough news for me to admit to the public, but we're going to talk to you, so yeah. Let's get right into today's video and talk about Priscilla and the blue Mustang. As we can see, we are now behind the wheel of Priscilla the blue Mustang, my pride and joy. And honestly, not a real plan for today's video. We're just going to be doing another loop on some of my driving roads I like to go around. I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Mustang driving experience and how it's like really behind the wheel this car. Anybody coming? Nope. Oh god, big bump. Well, there's a nice Charger up there, man. He's going for it too. Nice little wide body Charger right there. Ooh, you heard that? My car don't sound like his, which is unfortunate, but hey, he's got more money. Dude, that thing is just nutty. That thing's nuts. Hopefully he's going if he's going our way, we're freaking out. What's this woman doing? She's just talking to her friend. Just chilling, chatting at the bus stop. Oh, good night. We're gonna do a quick little acceleration here. I mean, for a Mustang, it handles nice enough. So what do I want to talk to you guys about today? About the good old Mustang. What do I want to say? The Mustang is a little bit slower than I anticipated. What do I mean by this? Well, last night, doing some very scientific researching with scientific methods and results, I found out that this car is slower than the 2009 Acura TL with a V6. I'm slower than a Acura. Acura, however you say it, a Mustang. I got walked by an Acura. I spent quotations. My family, there we go. My family. That's what you're supposed to say when you don't really own the car. My family's car. My family spent money, like a good amount of money on a car, and we get walked by a damn Acura. So we might have to do something about that. We might have to modify the good old Mustang. Priscilla. We might have to modify Priscilla. Because look, like, if I'm pulling up to the red light, the Prius is like, it's intimidating. Like, I'm not sure if I could beat that or not. I'm not sure if I could beat the damn Prius or not. Hi, Grandma. Whee! Bye, Grandma. Wow, she got walked. Smoked that Prius. Get that out of here, boy. But here's the thing, though. It's not a slow car, but it's just slower than you would expect a sporty car to be, and it's just so... This is really upsetting. I don't understand... Ooh. What the hell was that? I thought there was ice. I don't understand, man. The year after, the 2011s, they got 300 horsepower. I'm stuck with 210. What am I gonna do with 210? What am I gonna do with 210? Truck man, what am I gonna do with 210? I can't do nothing, man. I'm gonna go walk by Accords, freaking Acuras. It's embarrassing. So definitely, she needs some mods. Rather than selling good old Priscilla and buying a 3.6 liter V6 Mustang, let's modify the 4.0. Now, how are we going to modify the 4.0? Well, I really don't know. I'm going to have to do some research. Maybe get a tune or something. You know, a little tune might help. No, he's freaking gaining on me, man. Get away from me. We might have to get a little tune for the Mustang, but you gotta go to the tuner shop and have to Los Santos Customs customize it. But this is so upsetting. I expected this to, you know, at least be faster than a freaking Acura, and it's not. It's not okay. She does handle nicely though, I'll give her that. I mean, very floaty, but she does go around corners. Oh, I know you were a cop. You are not a cop. Whee! You are not a cop. You are not a cop. Whoa. The transmission too. It's an older tranny. Hey, yo, pause. It's an older transmission, so it does take a little to kick down, but once it kicks down, it's gone. Smoke that Toyota. That's the only thing I'm faster than. Freaking clapped out Corollas, man. But besides being a little bit on the slower side for a sportier car, like I enjoy this car. I absolutely freaking adore this car. I don't care if it was freaking slower than the Civic or what. I do not care. I love this car. I want to stick to it. I think a Mustang is a good first sporty car. I'm gonna stick to it. I think it's a good sporty first car. And even though you might not be the people think this is faster than it is. Oh, that's a red arrow. What's the point of having green and then a red arrow? What is the point of that? Oh, maybe because we don't get hit by those cars. What is the point of having a red arrow? We're allowed to make a U-turn? I don't entirely believe so. I don't believe we're allowed to make a U-turn like that. Well, if there's cars coming that way. No, it's fine, I'm a professional, I know what I'm doing, I'm certified. I see a van. Look at that view. Look at that view. It's a lake, a reservoir. Look at that. What a nice view. Well, look at this view. Look at this view. Our car might be slow, but the views are definitely cool. Look at that. Let's see it faster. The view doesn't change the faster you go. It just goes by quicker. Whee! But overall, oh god, big bump. Overall, is this a slow car? I'm not gonna cap. For a Mustang, it's slow. But, is it my slow car? Not gonna cap. Yes, it is my slow car. And I love every moment because you can just floor it around everything. Then you let off a little, then you brake a little, then you turn the wheel a little. It's just great, it's just so slow, you can't crash. Oh geez, I just jinxed myself. You can crash any car at any speed, but if I floor it around here, I don't think I'm gonna spin out. So it's like a stepping stone. It's my little it's baby's first sports car. That's how I view it. This Mustang is baby's first sports car. You know, because if you freaking you can have your fun, be safe. For my first sporty car, I'm not trying to kill myself. All justifying reasons why my car is slow, but this is a very good stepping stone. I don't feel like with any more power I would be responsible enough to handle it. But hey, I like it. It's my car at the end of the day. It's my car. Who else cares, you know? V6, V8, V10. Oh, here we go. Little jump. Little jump. Oh, I felt it in my tummy. Oh my lord. Oh, that was great. That was great. Oh, I felt that little bump. Oh, I definitely gotta go back and hit that faster without crashing. Oh, I love that little jump. Oh my gosh, that's fantastic. Oh. Oh, I should have went faster. Should have went faster. But, you know, quick little video, driving the little Mustang about. If you guys do enjoy, make sure you leave a like. You hit the subscription. That's a subscription card right there. You hit that. Make sure you subscribe to the Motor Mike YouTube channel for more premium Motor Mike content. And I shall definitely see you guys in my next upload. I'm going to try to upload twice a week on Thursday and Sunday. That's going to be the upload schedule I try to stick to. No guarantees about that. But twice, 2 times a week, daily uploads. There's a cop. I shall see you in my next video. Goodbye.